everyone, it's me again. Just wanted to say hi. You got to see me get ready this morning, so now I'm going to do my makeup. I'm not really going to tell you too much about how to do it. You can just see how I do it, because I know a lot of people can watch someone else do it and then they learn that way. So I think I'll start by clipping my bangs back. Let's see. There we go. That back a little bit. Get that out of the way so then my hair is not in my face. Oh, there's a little piece falling out, but I think it'll be okay. Oh. Let's see. All right, now I'm not gonna do concealer today. You can put them in like the creases or the little, blemishes and stuff like that. But I'm gonna start with some foundation. I like to put this on a little bit before, and you just wanna put that on and make sure that it's nice and all over your hands, so you get your face nice and even. All right. Yep. All over. There we go. That is great. And a little bit of neck, on the eyes, and eyeshadow can stick a little better. There we go. That looks great. All right, now let's see. I got some Bedhead Dual Foundation. It's got a little foundation and powder in, so I'm gonna cake it up today. I want to use the sponge. Sometimes I like to use the brush. It doesn't go on as heavy, but I'm gonna make it heavy today. That is beautiful. Gotta get all over. Let's see. All right. Yep, we're gonna get on the nose. Or those freckles. Yep. Lips. There we go. That's where I break out the most. Right on my forehead and sometimes on my. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. All right. Yeah. Okay. Now I think I'm gonna do some blush today. Let's see. This is a nice red color. Well, I guess it's more pink, but we're gonna glam it up. I'm wearing a cute outfit today under this cape, so I think we're gonna make it pretty. So I'm gonna smile, just do it right on my cheekbones, because it's kind of right where you wanna, yep, right there, nice. Wanna make sure you get it nice and bright, because then it'll look even better. I'm gonna have to go out tonight, make the hubby take me out. Looking good. I think that's perfect. Cool. Let's see. Let's do. I'm gonna put a little chapstick on. My lips are getting dry. I like the Avon Care Deeply. Yep. Get it all the way up there. Right on the lips there. Oh yeah. Nice and soft. Kissable lips. Let's see what else we got. Let's do some eyeshadow. I don't usually do the smoky eye during the day, but like I said, I think we're gonna go out tonight. My makeup's looking pretty good today. It's always when you look good that you have nowhere to go. Let's see. All right, let's start with the top of the eyes here. Put a little white in there. Yep, get it all nice and all over. Yeah. That is looking great. My clients are just gonna want their makeup done today, I think. We do offer makeup here if you're ever interested. You can get it to look this good. Yep. Beautiful. Got this little hair that keeps falling right to the left a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, it works. You know, those little hairs just want to fall right back out. Yep, just like that, right back out. It's a pain having bangs sometimes, but there. Cool. Let's see what we got going on. Let's do a little dark. I think I'm going to do a little dark on the sides. This is not going out look. But I'm married. I know this is going to be hard to resist, but there we go. I want to just do a little bit in the corner of the eye there. Get it nice and dark because it blends in real nice. You don't want to walk around looking crazy. Blend it in real good. There we go. Okay, now we'll do the other side. Alright, right in the corner there. Yup. That is great. This is looking so good. I'm so excited. I always love when I have good hair and makeup days. Yep. It's great. Woo! Yay! All right, let's see what else. I'm trying to think of the next. I think I'm going to do a little eyebrow pencil today because I don't usually do it, but sometimes when I look at pictures of myself, I notice that my eyebrows are a little bit, yeah, not good. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but we'll just pencil it in a little bit. There we go. Right on. Yeah, okay, I think that's good because I think, oh, I'm gonna have to sharpen that thing again. Ah, whatever. We'll move on. That looks better. I think it's very noticeable, so my eyebrows will be seen. I think I'm gonna do a little eyeliner today too. I do like the eyeliner a little darker. As you can see, I don't have makeup on. Well, besides what I just put on, but I like to do the top lid and the bottom. Right there's good. All right, let me have to probably wind it up a little more and get some more on there. Yeah, there we go. That's good. I like to do the, well, I shouldn't say I like to do it while I'm driving, but sometimes at the stop and go lights, it's nice to quick do this real quick and touch up. Swear you never get a red light unless you need it. That's great. You know, I think I'm gonna put a little bit more on the right side. A little bit more. There we go. That's good. All right, a little bit more on the bottom there. All right. Beautiful. I think I'm looking good. What else am I gonna do? A little mascara. Curl some eyelashes. Here we go. All right, there we go. Let's move on to the next side. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. My clients are gonna love it today. I'm gonna sell lots of makeup applications today. Little mascara. This is generic, I know. This is from Walgreens, but yep, that's great. And then a little bit, yep, a little extra. I like a little extra. Deepens up the face a little. Let's do the other side. Yep. Yep. There we go. Okay. Little on the lip. Yep, that works. What else? I don't usually talk when I do my makeup, so I usually just do it and I don't think too much about it. We got the blush, we got the stuff. Let's do a little lipstick. I picked out the bright red today because, like I said, I'm gonna look foxy. Start with my lower lip. Test it in my hand. Just make sure this is a good. Yeah, I think it's a good color. Do the lips. Yep. That is great. I think that's tastes good too. I like it. That's really pretty. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, now I think I'm just gonna put my earrings on, and then we'll take my hair down, and I think I'm pretty much ready to go. Gotta find that. This one's a tricky one. We'll start with the other one. It's hard to find those things sometimes. Let's see. Gotta get that sucker in there. All right. Woo! What do you think? These are probably cheap ones from Walmart, but I like them. Oh, maybe Maurice's. Okay. Let's do that one. Oh, goodness. Come on. Oh, almost. These are tricky. Ooh, almost had it. I don't know if you guys have this big of a problem putting your earrings on, but oh man, if my ears closed up. Ta-da! Got it! Yay! All right, let's take the clip down. See my beautiful face. Oh yeah, that is sassy. You guys come see me today? Come get your hair done at your convenience. Bye!